How to lock folder in Windows File Explorer. So if you want to secure your data from others and you want to lock your folders or files in Windows 11, I will show the perfect method. So let me start with the video. Okay, so here come to the location where you have folders and files or files. So I just want to lock this folder and files. Okay, this is file, this is my folders. So here come to your location and just right click on it, go to the new and create text document and just double click and open it. Now here you need to put some codes. I will show you. Okay, this was the code I will put into the description, or you can copy from there. From here you need to just change your password. So in your password you need to replace your password. So just select that your password text and replace with your password. So I just put the very simple password, which is pass123. Now go to the file and save as, select the same location. It will be by default select, but you need to check it. Now save as tab, you need to select all types and give the name like system64.bat. Okay, you need to create bat files and save it. Now go to the file explorer and here the file we have created, which is bat file, bat file. Now you need to double click on it. Once you double click, the private folder will be created. Now you need to put that all folders, you can delete this text file, delete it. Now into this you need to put the files or folder. Okay, okay, this already opened, so I transfer another one. Yeah, so this is folder we have. Under this folder we have one folder and file. So now if you want to lock it, you need to double click on the systems and this asking lock this folder, you need to just type yes. Now this folder has been hide and it is locked. Now if you want to view these folders again, you need to double click on it, system bat files, and here you need to put your password. Our password was pass123. Now you can see this folder has been visible. Now you can open it and access your files and folder. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.